What's up, YouTube? This is a kind of a update. Alright. Well, here's something y'all might not like. I might get a lot of haters for this, but frankly, I don't give a shit. Alright, y'all know that I bought the Sundown SA-8, and on the third day that I had it, I just really didn't take to it very much. So I decided to sell or trade and ended up trading it. But personally, I think I traded it, man, that's hard to say. Traded it. Sorry. Okay, I think I traded it for something better than what it was worth. I traded it for something that I can actually use. A Rockford Fosgate T400-2. Here it is. The guy said there's light scratches, barely any. And this looks like a good amp, nice quality for sure. It's Rockford Fosgate. It's rated at 120 RMS times 2 at 4 ohms, 200 times 2 at 2 ohms, 400 watts at 4 ohms bridge, but it's 2 ohms stable bridge. I don't know what it does at 2 ohms bridged, but what did I do with it? I have a picture of the birth sheet. Just let me see if I can find it. You know what? I think I downloaded it from MSN, so it should be in my downloads right here. Yep, here it is. There's the birth sheet. 152 times 2, 263 times 2, and 527 bridged at 4 ohms. I want to know what this thing does bridged at 2 ohms. Total RMS power 525. That is good. But you're probably wondering, well, you already seen that. You're probably wondering what subs I'm gonna get. This is how I'm gonna get a lot of haters. I am gonna buy some boots. Come here. Dang. Alright. I'm gonna buy me some Kicker 15-inch. Well, yeah. Kicker 15-inch CVXs. So I'm trading, but think of it this way: the Sundown 8 would handle maybe 700 RMS daily. This could handle 1,000, possibly more. I've had good experience with Kicker. Some other people haven't, but I don't care about them. I care about my experiences. So 700 versus 1,000. I think the 1,000 would win, and an 8 versus a 15. This would always be louder and always get lower. Sorry for the blanket. Sister came here earlier. Alright, well, yeah, I want to buy 4 of these and possibly wall it off inside the car that I have. But you gotta admit, for a first system, this would be great. Not very many people could say that. Oh yeah, forgot today's my birthday. Yeah, that's about that. Yeah, so I shipped the Sundown earlier today, maybe an hour ago or something around that. So I should be getting that Rockford Fosgate amp pretty soon, and hopefully buy these pretty soon. If you want to see more pictures, let's go back. they don't look that bad at all anyways. They look really nice. That was my elbow going across. But yeah. So just tell me your thoughts on that. But compare it this way. Single kicker 15 versus single Sundown 8. With the same amount of power. And I'm going to upgrade subwoofers soon. So, I mean soon. Upgrade subwoofers not too long after I get these. Maybe 4 months probably after I get these. Then probably use these for my room or something. You know, I like my room system being loud. Yeah. Alright, tell me what you guys think. Later.